With temperatures starting to drop, it's time for seasonal maintenance on your fireplaces and gas appliances. If left unchecked, you could be putting yourself and your family at risk for carbon monoxide poisoning.
Carbon monoxide is an odorless, colorless gas.
A gas that, if inhaled, can lead to a fatal outcome. Sources that produce carbon monoxide are devices commonly found in the home or garage. These include cars, grills, fireplaces, stoves, furnaces, and other gas appliances. Anyone you know can be affected, just like my sister Carly was.
I was really scared at that time. I was nauseous, dizzy, I was vomiting, lightheaded.
All were symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning. So how exactly does it affect the body? Well, within the blood, there are red blood cells that contain a protein called hemoglobin. The job of the hemoglobin is to transfer oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. When carbon monoxide is inhaled, it binds to the hemoglobin, preventing oxygen from binding and therefore cutting off the oxygen supply to the body's vital organs. There are many ways to keep you and your family safe from this silent killer.
The biggest thing is getting carbon monoxide detectors in your house.
Detectors can be on the ceiling or plugged into outlets. They have a lifespan of around 5 to 7 years, so it's important to refer to your specific device's user manual on how to properly use and maintain your detector. To test your device to make sure it's working properly, you can touch the test button placed on the front of the device. You will hear 4 initial beats followed by a pause and 4 beats after the pause, or check your specific device's instructions. Pause. Working great. According to the CDC, more than 100,000 people in the United States visit the emergency department each year due to accidental carbon monoxide poisoning. Proper prevention devices, equipment maintenance, and education can help. If you ever have any doubts, experts say play it safe. Get out of the house and call 911 so they can check for any dangers. In Great Falls, Maggie Riley, MTN News.